Good day, everyone. My name is Bruce Lynn. I'm one of the managing partners of the Financial Executives Networking Group. Today, we're going to talk about tool time for Treasury. This is the fifth in a series of lessons on Treasury, the kinds of resources that it needs. In this case, we're going to be talking about Treasury technology. So by the end of today's session, we're going to cover the following learning objectives: determining the proper level of Treasury resources, understanding Treasury's objectives, understanding the need for purpose-built technology, purpose-built for Treasury, and then some of the benefits that you would get when you acquire and implement Treasury purpose-built technologies. So let's go back a little bit and first of all talk about Treasury resources. Technology, just like other resources, is something that you need, but the question is, what's the proper level? Proper level depends on what you're going to build. In other words, how are you going to execute your responsibilities, which simply put is really helping the organization acquire the liquidity that it needs without taking excessive risk. Again, all these things need to be defined, but determining how to do that, you need resources to do that. Now, the resources you can get can come from inside the company or outside. Inside the company, obviously, are the resources that the company can bring to bear on its own, and the outside resources are resources that you basically buy or acquire or even use part-time, like banks or investment advisors or almost any third party that exists outside of the company itself. Now, the exact mix, difficult to say. I can't sit here today and tell you what the best mix could be. It depends on your industry, the lines of business, organizational structure of your company. Obviously, if you're talking about technology, which we are today, it depends on whether you want to do this with high-tech tools or the quote-unquote low-tech tools, which is staff. So the exact mix, I can't say, but you do have to consider all of these issues when you're trying to figure out what the proper amount of technology could be. Now, again, what you need to do is you have to consider what it is you're trying to build, excuse me, and then figure out what kind of resources you need. Do you have enough? How do you really know what it is that you're looking for? And then finally, if you were to wave your magic wand and acquire the appropriate resources, how do you know you're being good at them? You can go out to the store and buy lots of tools. It doesn't necessarily mean you've achieved your metrics that you have set out.